Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video we will study unit number 8, interaction of media. Media is the mean of transmitting the message throughout the opinion and viewpoint. Its purpose is to facilitate communication and learning. Present age is called the age of information. The means of communicating news and information is termed as mass media. Have a look on the history of mass media. Telegraph is introduced in 1938, telephone in 1876, radio in 1895, television in 1927, early computer in 1942, photocopy machine 1946, transistors in 1947, microcomputers 1960. Media are the agencies, means or instruments used to convey advertising messages to the public. Mass media is classified into two categories. One is print media and the other is electronic media. Print media include newspaper, magazines, books, journals and other printed materials. Electronic media include radio, television, satellite, computer. Now first of all, let us discuss about the print media in detail. Print media include newspaper, magazines, books, journals and other printed material. All printed materials are included in the print media. This gives us a lot of information. Print media is a process for reproducing text and images, typically with ink or paper using a printing press. A medium that disseminates printed matter is called print media. We will further study about print media in detail in the next video. Now here we will discuss about some characteristics of print media. It is the most effective medium and it is used for educated people. It have a lot of information and can be given in very deep detail. Public can read again and again. Now there are some different kinds of print media that includes books, or we can say textbooks, newspapers, newsletters, magazines and handouts. We will study each of them in detail. Different type of print media are newspapers, magazines and books. You can see also in the picture shown. Newspaper is one of the most important and effective print media of mass communication. It was first published in Germany and later spread its roots to the rest of the world. Its valuable services to the community like information, education, entertainment, persuasion, cultural transmission and record facility. Now here are some functions of newspaper. Why we use newspaper? It gives us information, it gives us advertising material, opinion building, it helps in education, and also we can use newspaper for our entertainment. Now the next is types of newspaper. Newspaper are of many types. There are daily newspapers. We can also find weekly newspapers that publish weekly, and there are some newspapers that are published monthly, and likewise there are some local newspapers, national level newspapers and international level newspapers. Now the next are magazines. Magazine is another important print media of mass communication. A magazine is published periodically in a bound format. It has a double paper cover and usually better quality paper is used. Magazines can be classified in terms of regular intervals of their publication. Okay, now there are some functions of magazines. Magazines gives us information. There are some newspapers that based on entertainment, comments, advertising, and there are some newspapers that influence the people's mind. Now the next are the different kinds of magazines. Here we have academic magazines, and then there are some magazines that based on fashion, and then there are sport magazine, political magazines, and some magazines that comprises news. Now we have books. Books also include in printed media. In the past, the past books was not a mass medium but privilege of the elite class. There were two reasons of that. Firstly, books were not printed but transcribed by hand. Secondly, the low literacy level in the masses. Okay, now here we have some types of books: trade books, paperback books, textbooks, and professional books. In today's world, book is one of the most effective mass media. It is the best source of education. It is the cheapest mean to storing and transmitting information to other by means of record and knowledge. Here we have some different type of books. We can say them as booklet, leaflet, pamphlet, and posters. All of you must have familiars of a booklet and pamphlets. Also, posters are used for advertising. Pamphlets are also used for advertising. Now there are some different kinds of print media like newspaper, newsletters, magazines, and handouts. These are also included in print media. We have discussed about books, newspapers, and magazines, and now we will discuss about newsletters and handouts. Okay, textbooks are the oldest form and the most common form of print media used by students. It is the best source of knowledge and information. Books provide permanent records. Some books printed several years ago are still in use. Newspapers are a popular form of print media. It is published daily or weekly and it covers a variety of topics from local and international news. It provides information as well as entertainment. It is the most important and effective print media of mass communication. It was first published in Germany and later spread its roots to the rest of the world. Now next are the newsletters. Newsletters are used to provide information to selected readers like the students' body, group of students of a particular organization, or parents. We can also have newsletters in our institution, in our school. It keeps the reader informed of what is used in their institution. Now the next are the handouts. Handouts are the documents given to students for them to remember the lesson and at the same time apply the information they receive. We can also call these handouts as notes. Now there are some points by which we can learn about how to design printed material. So we have to put headings, writing style, page layout, type styles, visuals, and by highlighting them. Now there are some advantages of print media. Number one is portability, easy to make, cheap, and they are very common. Now the next are disadvantages of print media. The disadvantages of print media includes that they are too common. They just convey only a verbal language. ये हमें सिर्फ verbal हम पढ़कर इनको कर सकते हैं, हमें ओरली कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. टेक टाइम टू अपडेट, काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम लेता है, अपडेट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. नो द नेक्स्ट इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया. Electronic media includes computer technology. Computer technology is advancing in every walk of life to the point which change is occurring so rapidly that there is no time to react. Computer technology. Electronic media also take part in educational sector. Various multimedia and slide presentations are used to making the students' concepts more clear. The sole aim of such presentation is to create certain expertise among students. Now let us move on types of electronic media. There are some types of electronic media which includes television, telephone, radio, internet, smartphones, etc. We will discuss each of them one by one in detail in the further video. Okay, now number one is television. Television is television provide immediate response. It is a measurable and accountable means of advertising, communicates with sound, action, and color. It creates a high interest. Prime time is between 8 p.m. to 11 a.m. Now the next is radio. Okay, now the next is radio. Radio machines are 90% of people, which make it very effective. Best time and drive times morning, at late afternoon, early evening became a major medium of different response advertising in the 1920s. Now here are some advantages and disadvantages of print media. That includes now advantages are they provide immediacy, provide information and entertainment, create awareness among people. It develop our thoughts and ideas, keep us in touch with what is happening in our society, made communicate increasingly and more easier. Disadvantages include noise pollution, decision making, common diseases and complications brought by electronic media like eyesight problems, exposure to radiations which is lethally harmful to human body. It also cause many harmful diseases. Thank you so much. Fi amanillah. Allah Hafiz.